Hi, I'm Holly Winter. I'm a freelance filmmaker and I also run film workshops for young people aged 13 to 17. So the Youth Development Grant funds went towards creating a space where these kids could have hands-on experience of what it's like to be on a film set. So that involved equipment, like microphones, lighting, green screen. We had some fun with the green screen. My hope with these sort of programs is that it can equip kids with the practical skills, but also like the social skills and the group teamwork skills that it takes to create a film, but also to just share their stories. So we also had a time where they could screen their films and show the community and friends and family what they created together. And I think that's a really important aspect too, because not only does it give them a platform to share their stories, but also bring the community together. It was actually the first time I'd ever applied for a grant before, so it was a little bit daunting. But the City of Marion were really supportive and helped me squeeze the most out of my program into that grant. And it was really exciting when I got the news that I had got the grant. So if you're thinking about applying for the Youth Development Grant, I'd say just go for it and see what happens.